You'll never guess what I'm about to do. Stage 3, 117, Fat Bob. What's up, guys? My name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Independence Harley-Davidson, and we are going to do a ride and review on this 2018 Fat Bob 114. It's got a stage 3 in it, so it is a 117, two brothers, 2-in-1 exhaust, forward controls, all the sweet stuff. So yeah, pretty much, ooh, it sounds so good. It sounds ridiculous. Ridiculous. So yeah, I'm gonna take this on a quick ride. We're gonna review it. As many of you know, the Infinite Rider, he does not work here anymore, so he is unable to do these types of reviews. So I thought I'd pick up where he left off, at least with this bike. So yeah, let's hop on and just do a quick little ride on this, and let me give you my impressions. First things first, this bike has drag bars on it and forward controls, which I'm not a big fan of forward controls. So we'll see how this rolls. Let's go. Man, it is peppy. Woo! You can tell the power. And this is just such a weird riding position for me. As many of you know, I have a 2020 Street Bob 107 with T-bars on it. So this is just weird. Oh man, you can just feel the power. That is a lot of power. And we are about to put it to the test here. All right, let's see what this thing's made of, yo. Good Lord. Woo! Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Loud and proud, man. Granted, this is a Two Brothers exhaust. It is quick and powerful. I've ridden a 114, but I've never ridden a 117. And man, feels great. Yeah. Don't want to do anything too crazy and get in trouble here. Goodness, jeez, talk about power. Holy mother of Mary, this thing moves. Oh my goodness, very responsive. This is stage 3, so it's got all the bells and whistles. Now turning on this bike, ooh, okay, a little jerky. I'm not used to turning. As you can tell, it's got that big fat front tire. Wow. Wow. Once you get moving, it's pretty nimble, but man, I would throw some T-bars on this bad boy, 100%. T-bars, maybe a Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing. This bike is sick. I love the white too. Probably could get used to the forward controls, but I'm not really that big of a fan. Goodness. Man, before you know it, you're already at 5,000 RPMs. Second gear just keeps eating. This isn't going to be a long ride, but I'm going to try to give you guys the best impression that I can on it. Obviously, a 2-in-1 exhaust is going to be the prime choice for your bike as far as performance wise goes. You're going to get way more out of a 2-in-1 than you are slip-ons. Shout out to Tim, parts manager at Independence Harley-Davidson, for letting me come out here, get a little ride in while I'm working. He said he'd hold it down for me real quick. So shout out to you, Tim, if you're watching this. This is really my first time riding this bike, more than just pulling it in to the showroom. Goodness gracious. Oh man, I thought my Street Bob was responsive. This is just like, look, let me show you. I'm twisting the throttle, I stop. Twist the throttle, stop. I'm not braking at all. That is the engine braking itself. So it is very responsive to whatever you do to it. More nimble than I expected too. And the seating position is not too bad. I thought I was not gonna like it, but it's not too bad. You kind of have like this aggressive stance, but your legs are, you know, they're extended, so it's comfortable. Goodness gracious. I can't get it past second gear because it just got so much to give. Yes. So much yes. So if you haven't checked it out already, Harley has released a 119 kit for Softail models. So I could turn my 107 into a 119, which would be an even bigger displacement than this 117. So wow. Well, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. I put out Harley-Davidson related content pretty frequently. I am a parts specialist at a dealership, so if you got any questions about parts, feel free to ask me. I appreciate all the positive support, and I plan on doing this a lot for you guys. I don't know if I'll be able to get away with too many reviews and rides, but I put out a lot of content related to Harley and the Street Bob. Well, that ride was short-lived. Turning is not bad. Not bad at all. As you can see, all these little turns and stuff, I'm handling pretty well. I thought the handling was going to be whack, but it's actually pretty good. If I were to ever upgrade my Street Bob, it would be to a Lowrider S or a Fat Bob. And this is pushing me towards the Fat Bob, baby. Goodness gracious. Holy moly. I really wish I could get this out on the highway for you guys so you could see what it's capable of. But I am working right now, so I have to go back into work. But yeah, that's it, guys. Ride and review for the 2018 Fat Bob Stage 3. My goodness gracious, this bike is a monster. there's Tim. Let's just do another quick walk around. I'm a fan of this headlight too. At first I didn't like it, but I am a fan. I would throw T-bars on this sucker. Ooh. Oh, come on, kickstand. Hold up for me. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like what you see, come on down to Independence Harley-Davidson. Take a ride on it for yourself. This bike kicks ass. This bike kicks serious ass. Serious ass. Got me thinking about trading up. But no, I love my Street Bob. So yeah, guys, my name's Miles. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe for more content. And ride fast, take chances. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.